Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing the car and cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal so you don't short anything. Once done, remove the obstructing parts, either the air intake cover or the wheel well splash guard, so you can reach the back of the headlight assembly. Make sure you've confirmed the bulb type printed on the housing and have the matched replacement ready. Do not touch the new bulb glass with bare fingers because oils shorten bulb life. Now you'll get the old bulb out. First, remove the rubber dust cap or access cover. This gives you the electrical connector and retaining clip. Press the tab on the connector and pull straight back to avoid bending pins, then release the retaining clip or twist the collar counterclockwise depending on your model. Keep hands steady and pull the bulb straight out. Twisting or forcing risks breaking the glass or the socket. Inspect the housing for corrosion or install the new bulb by gripping only the base and aligning the tabs with the socket. Push straight in and fasten the retaining clip or twist collar until it seats. Once secured, reconnect the electrical connector and reinstall any covers or the intake parts you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then turn on the headlights to confirm function and beam pattern. If the light flickers or doesn't work, make sure the connector is fully seated and the retaining clip is tight. If still faulty, test with the old bulb or check the fuse.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.